Hello guys, I have a capacitor that was removed in a humming amplifier. The amplifier is a split power supply and it uses a 4700 microfarad on its power supply. Now, the amplifier produces a big humming sound that is almost equivalent to a shorted transistor amplifier or a shorted IC. But you might want to check the supply first before you go on the conclusion the transistor or the IC amplifier is defective. Now I have removed this, and this is a good capacitor. There are two capacitors. This is a good one because you can see the needle deflecting of charge and discharge, while this one is a defective one that the that the needle in the time is one range will not deflect, and this capacitor is already faulty. Now since this is faulty, the power supply will not be complete and it will produce a big humming sound, a big disturbing humming sound because the supply is not good. Now so this is see how the needle deflects of charge and discharge with the capacitor, and this one is the same value 4700, and the needle will retain on the left side, meaning to say this has already been defective. Now using the digital tester, testing in the digital tester using the value of the capacitor. Now let's test first the good one. The good one will indicate the value. Oh, this is not this. It is the defective one with no deflection at all. The good one will deflect a value of 4000 should be. Oh, this is the defective one. Oh, the defective one. Oh, this is the good one that deflects 4430 microfarad, and actually this should be changed also 4342. So this is the good capacitor, deflects the value of 449, almost equivalent to 4700. Now the defective one will not give any value at all, and as you can see the surface is almost bulging on the previous video that I made. So this is a defective one without deflection of the needle either in analog or digital. This will give you a headache because this will give a big humming sound in the amplifier itself. Okay.